Hey guys, it's Craig. So we have 12 feed bunks we're offering. They're going to be offered individually. They're stacked right now, guys. Again, you're only buying one at a time. Lot number reflects the one that you're going to be bidding on. Guys, they are all exact replicas. You can see they are very solid. I mean, just the very surface rust is all you see. There's no holes, no thin spots, absolutely nothing. All the legs are in very good shape all around. It don't matter which one of the stack guys you get here, every one of them is in absolutely fantastic condition. We took pictures of the inside of each one, guys. Make sure you check out all the pictures and videos. You guys will see duplicates on these because, like I said, they're all the same. They're about 20 foot, 8 inches long. They're 3 foot wide. They're just short of a foot deep. Like I said, standard size, guys. Again, we're offering individual, one bunk per lot. As you see, guys, here's the lot number. So look in the picture, look in the description. Again, loadout is going to be offered for these guys. Very nice steel feed bunks. Harder and harder to find, guys. The price just keeps going up on these. So if you're looking for some like new used ones, these are the ones.